Welcome to Chefchaouen in Morocco, the Blue City. We are so excited, Atlantic Canada Cooks, to be touring one of the most incredible places in Morocco. Let's take a walk back to 1471 when this city was formed. Walk with me through the streets and let's take a look at the beautiful blue colors. It's a Sunday afternoon and all the families are out. Everybody's enjoying, the locals, the tourists. I love the artisans. They're capturing the blue, the very famous blue doors. And trust me, you're gonna see this for real. So as we said, welcome to the Blue City. I think you're gonna see many shades of blue. And the hallway keeps going. Wow. Unbelievable. I can tell you the pastries, the bees are returning to the beginning. Looks amazing. Look at all the different doors as we're walking down. This corner is super cool. The walls are painted just like you'd be walking through the mountains in the blue sky. Because remember, one of the things here is the city's blue, so that we're just as close to the sky, close to God. I love the height of the doors, but guess what? There's a little bakery inside of here. So make sure you peek inside. Here's where you feed the blue of the Blue City, the artisans. Notice the Rift Mountains in the back. So rooted in history. And trust me, everybody's got a hustle around here. So when you're walking around, you can hear the beat of the drums and stuff behind me. Make sure you look down all the alleyways. Check out the doors. You can see the history. At some point, something much bigger was coming through this doorway, but check out how short this doorway is. And trust me, someone still lives here. That's the cool part of it. Beautiful. This is where you sneak in to get a little bit of cool air. So have you checked out our Medina tours? Each of the different door knockers often symbolizes a family symbol. So when you're walking around, you'll see some of that deep history. Hope you're enjoying the door tour in the Blue City. The tapestries are woven. So much of the Amazigh culture will be in this region. As always, I love the Medinas. Looking into each one, you're gonna see in here the artwork and the woodwork that is being taken, and you can tell that this vendor is making the frames to go around those exceptional pictures. And all of it is done by hand. So you know here in Morocco, you're getting the real thing. The Amazigh and the Berber symbols, absolutely amazing. And remember, this is for this region in Chefchaouen. So these Berber symbols are very specific to this region. So when you're selecting your rugs, trust me, this is the region that you want to look at. You can see where this is still done by hand. And when you take a walk through, watch your head when you're coming through. But this is where you know that you're getting real and authentic merchandise.
all by hand with the shuttle because down
Yeah.
two pedals. That's for change the pedals.
Yes.
One come up, another one come and down. Open.
Yeah.
The shuttle go between, and we work something like that.
That's amazing.
Yes, you're the best one, the nice one, original, reversible, outside, very thin, handmade, everything. That is money more than 2-3 months work.
Months and all the separate patterns.
Separate.
Yeah. As always, always have to stop and look at the footwear. Amazing. These are mainly, you'll see the footwear is, we were just looking at some of the carpets. The footwear is done in Fez, one of the ancient cities. And I can even see some of the pairs I've already purchased. Definitely take the time to look and make sure you try them on. So when you're walking through the streets, you're gonna see the beautiful fountains. And this is where you're gonna get the fresh mountain water. Oh, it is refreshing. Because it's hot. We're gonna do that. And now let's take a drink. Oh, now that's fresh. Is this soap?
Yes.
Yeah.
And this oil. Give me your hand. Smell this.
Ooh,
Argan oil with the food.
with fruit. I could smell the fruit.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
Salt, black soap with the Akka basic.
Okay.
This lipstick.
Oh,
Yeah. And this with the indigo.
indigo, yes. We hope that you enjoyed the most incredible tour of Chaouen, the Blue Pearl. And there's no better place to end it than here by the waterfall. It's cool and refreshing. I know you saw the craziness of all the people enjoying this beautiful day. Thanks for following us at Atlantic Canada Cooks. We'll see you in the next city. Explore Morocco.